Hello and welcome to Analytics Insight, your one-stop destination for all the latest and greatest in technology. I am your host, Akanksha. From a powerful AI launches to global chip politics and a startup controversy, today's tech news is packed with big developments shaping the future of technology. So without further ado, let's get started with today's top tech stories. OpenAI has officially launched GPT 5.4, its latest and most powerful AI model yet. The company says this model is designed for professional work and complex problem solving. It comes in two new versions, GPT 5.4 Pro for high performance tasks and GPT 5.4 Thinking for advanced reasoning. The model supports a massive context window of up to 1 million tokens and is also 33% less likely to make factual errors compared to previous versions. It also scored record benchmark results in tasks involving coding, research, and professional work. So, Amazon Web Services has launched Amazon Connect Health, a new AI agent platform built specifically for healthcare providers. The system can automate tasks like patent verification, appointment scheduling, clinical documentation, and medical coding. By handling repetitive administrative work, the platform allows doctors to focus more on the patient care. The AI integrates directly with electronic health record systems and aims to reduce the massive paperwork burden in healthcare. In a surprising twist, Cluely CEO Roy Lee has publicly admitted that the $7 million annual revenue figure he previously shared with the media was false. Lee issued a formal retraction on social media saying it was the only dishonest statement he had made publicly. The admission has raised serious questions about transparency in startup culture and growth hype in the AI industry. WhatsApp could soon introduce a paid subscription plan. According to the reports, the new tier may include exclusive stickers, custom ringtones, and other premium features. While WhatsApp will likely to continue offering free messaging services, this move could open a new revenue stream for the platform. The United States government is reportedly considering sweeping new export controls on AI chips. Under the proposed rules, companies would need government approval to sell advanced semiconductors outside the US. This could significantly impact global chip giants like Nvidia and AMD and reshape the global AI supply chain. And that's it for today's top tech stories. I hope you found this video informational. If you did, then make sure you subscribe to our channel and I will see you in the next one.